Hi everyone, so my name is Shonda and I am going to be doing a walkthrough of Benable. So if you're watching this video, maybe you found me through my list actually, because I have a guide there in the side hustle list, but I'm actually going to post this video on YouTube and probably other places. So who knows how you found me and how you found it, but needless to say, welcome. Okay. So Benable is what I call the Virgo's dream, because like we love lists. And so I initially seen this on TikTok and I went, signed up for it and just left it sitting for weeks. And then for some reason, Tuesday, I decided to start building on my list. And by Friday, I had made my first commission. What is really cool about this is I call it a virtual vision board, because you can put lists together of things you don't even own, places you've never even been, restaurants you never tried, but maybe these are things you want to do. So you could create this list, and through these lists, people who have same interests as you are going to shop these lists, but you start to earn a commission. That commission, you could take that money and you can buy the things that you desire that's on your list. You see what I'm saying? So you are like bringing your manifestations to life, but you're in doing that, you're getting an exchange of currency back. So yeah, this is my second time recording this, y'all. So I'm trying to remember everything that I said prior to. So hopefully things just start coming back. But I'm going to just go ahead and jump right into it. So with Benable, you can partner with 30,000 partners, and I'm going to show you those partners. I actually do it while I'm talking. And what you partner with them, you like marketing their product. So like with traditional affiliate marketing, if you seen a video on TikTok I said go to the bottom, click on the pages, affiliate program, sign up, and you become an affiliate. And sometimes they approve you, sometimes it's auto approved, but then sometimes they may decline you. The cool thing with this is that once you sign up with Benable, you have access to all of these companies, these brand partners right here. And you can use their links of products from their page. And when people shop them, you will make a commission. You see those percentages next to it? So 38,000 stores. There's someone that you shop with, love, been wanting to shop with, that you need to go ahead and create that list for. And get started making money, marketing their products. Even like if you do makeup, look at Sephora, Ulta, like y'all, so many things. If you click the purple, what is this, 4 lines to the right, you can actually filter it by category. You know, so like let's say you are a chef, you can, create lists for different pots to use, different seasonings to use, different ingredients, because you can market food as well. Like, it's just the possibilities are endless of the different ones you can be set up to do, market their products for. So what you could do is you can either go to their website and find a product that you like, or, make your own list from going to their website. Like, okay, Home Depot, let's say you like outdoor furniture. So you go to their website and you get the links for their outdoor furniture. You come back to Benable, you add it in, and it's going to auto generate in the list for you. So you got the brand partner, you can see your recent viewers of your page, and you cash back. Now, today is Sunday. Remember, I started this Tuesday, so now I have mega bucks. Okay, and I was shocked that I got this, but I made $284 unexpectedly by adding an ice maker that I don't even own to a list. I do own an ice maker, I just don't own this one. And so somebody purchased it, and I made $284 because they purchased it through my list. So do you see that once you set your list up that you can make passive income? It becomes like a set it and forget it. Like this is like a new age type drop shipping, meaning like with drop shipping, you put products on your website, a person purchases, you have to fulfill an order, whether manually or you go through an integrated site to fulfill an order, but you still have to do something to get this order fulfilled sometimes. But with this, you set it, you forget it, you load the product. If somebody buys it, they buys it, the money just automatically comes to you. You can only cash out when you cash out when you get to $80. So me, I do a lot of little side hustle things. So I'm probably gonna just let this one like kind of build up, see how fast I could get it to build up, and how much, and how much, and how whatever amount of time. Okay. I'm also trying to go quick because I see my last video was like 20 minutes. I was like, maybe that's why I got cut down. Anyway, so then bookmarks. When you click this, you can bookmark other people's lists or other people items on their list. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And then you can go to settings. And this is when you mess with your profile, advanced settings, cashback is how you set up to get your money through PayPal. And account settings, notification settings. So notification settings, I'm going to just click on that because you could choose how often your list has been viewed. And, you can say instantly if you want. Items have been liked instantly. You put everything on instantly. I suggest when you're doing these side hustle things, because like if you found this in my side hustle list, which is right here, I have 50 different side hustles. Set you up a completely separate email because it's going to go crazy, okay, with notifications and offers from different things. Okay, so let's see. So once you get set up and you edit your profile, you want to make sure you put a little caption about yourself, put your profile picture in. You also could update your cover photo. I didn't mess with my cover photo. I left that because I like the little pale, pinkish, purplish, whatever. But anyway, so I have 15 lists, and inside those lists, I have sections. And so you see the lists, and we're going to just go ahead with the first one as far as sections. And so it's things to do in different cities. So in here, the sections I have is restaurants to try, tours and excursions, and places to visit. My places to visit, it is private right now because it's empty. So you can do like list settings, and you can make your list private, and you can keep on link sharing so other people can share it. And, if you want to show comments, likes, password protected list. So you can make your list password protected. Let's see. You're like, well, why would I do that? What's a good example? Let's say you're a chef and you're building lists on different pots, cookware you can use. Like I said, different food ingredients that you can use. But like, let's say you want to sell your recipes. So you can make a list for each recipe, put all the ingredients in that list, but then maybe you want to have it password protected. Maybe you charge them $1 per recipe, because I see people do that. And maybe inside that list, you got the PDF of the recipe and you got all the ingredients. Creative, huh? Something to think about. But so just think further when you make your list, because like when you start, you're probably gonna just kind of just throw things together. But like really, when you start putting thought into it, you can realize how you really can maximize your money doing this. Like, sharing it in podcasts, sharing it in your blogs. If you need ideas, get my Monetizing Your Creativity ebook. Yes, I'm shamelessly promoting myself. But in there, I have tools and ideas you use to take. And when you come to, across websites and apps and different opportunities like this, you're going to take what I told you and you're going to know how to use this to really maximize your money, majority in a passive way. So I'm going to go ahead to my first list right here, restaurants to try. You see there's a green check mark. That means like the list got optimized and verified by Benable. So it shows up like on Google and stuff like that. It's really cool. I think it's based off of how many places you add. I want to say the magic number is 20, but I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm going to click on restaurants to try. So once you create your section, you can then create, once you create your lists in that section, I'm going to do an example because it may be a little confusing. You could create sections to add lists. So you see, it's like you just keep building and building and building. So my restaurants to try, I do have different sections, different cities of restaurants I tried and things I want to try. And so I'm going to just go to NOLA, for example, and you see all the different places. Now, you can pull these off of Google if you're not worried about getting an affiliate link to make money off of this. You just want to share it. You can do that. Or I'm going to go back and show y'all how, if you do post these and you want to make some money, how you can just by sharing this. Maybe not the restaurants, but then again, they have 38,000 partners. So like, I think like they have like TripAdvisor and like some other places that do like list like restaurants and stuff on their website, along with like vacations, travel, flight things, different things like that. So you probably could use an affiliate code for them. But yeah, so this is the restaurant one. And I wanted to show you how you could separate it by city. And like, let's say if I wanted to add another NOLA, I would click here and I would click add recommendation. And I would add, like I'm gonna just type in Heard That. Let's see if it comes up. Heard That Kitchen. Yep. And so Heard That Kitchen, their food is good. If you ever go to New Orleans, the stuffed bell peppers, mac and cheese, off the chain. And then you could come, and when you click photos, you can change what photos you want to show. I say always go with something appealing and the menu. So like, I'm going to do like a really nice food photo to be the cover photo of this. And then I'm going to put the owner who actually cooks the food. And then I'm going to put the menu, because, you know, like when you look up food places, you like to see the menu. So I'm going to put great stuffed bell peppers, because I'm actually leave it on here. And that's going to be under NOLA, but like, let's say it's in another place. You can choose off your list, or you can just add a new section, but it's in NOLA. And then it gets added right there. Okay. Now let's say you want to get paid for this, right? Because I see how you just found it for me. But when you come to tours and excursions, and I only got NOLA so far, but I have the steamboat, Natchez, you know, jazz cruise, whatever, alligator boat, airboat ride, sea gators, you know, these different things. Click this, and it's going to take you to this website called Viator. I went and made an affiliate account with them. You go to the bottom of their website, like I said, click on affiliate program, immediate approval. And so they have different things to do. So with that, I started creating links, you know, of different cruises, because they had like 18 pages of stuff. So I just was going through, picking different things that I think people would like, and added it to my page. But whenever they book, you make 8% off of that. Okay, let me go back to Benable. All right, so back. And so that's that. Let me show you how to make one. So like I said, 15 lists I have. I could create a new list, or you could create a new collection. But I'm going to go ahead and create a new collection. And we're going to call it Section 1, Add. Okay. So when you come up here to the top, Section 1 is going to be up there with all of your, so you have to make a collection to start making a list, is my point. Okay. So let's go down to Section 1 that I just created. And now we're going to add a list, and we're going to call it Section 1 List. Create. Right? So now we didn't put, and so that means I could do like a Section 1 list, Section 2 list, Section 3 list. So now we are going to go and view our list, and we're going to add a new section inside of the list. So let's just say this is going to be ice machines, right? So now and make sure you put descriptions for whatever it is that you're adding. So we got ice machines listed, and then we're going to add a recommendation. So we're going to type ice machine in and see which one comes up. So either we could type it in search, and we could just accept whatever it gives us, or you can actually go to the website, get the link, put the link in, and it's going to find it that way as well. So they found the ice machine, one on Home Depot. Go to the photos. You could choose which photos you want to be on display, just like the restaurants. And anything else you do, really, you could choose your photos. Do at least 3 photos. I think you could do up to 5, but 3 is a good number, I think. Make sure you're using the right ice machine. I would say is your display pick. Make sure it's like one that looks like it's you could possibly be doing this. And not one with see how it says the writing. The one with the writing could be your picture, but use one that looks like, that really could be you using the machine. Auto affiliate link on, meaning it's going to auto pay you. It's already set up for you to get paid for it. See? Automatically. So when somebody shops, buys, you will get it. Write you a note. You can say great ice machine, or I love using my ice machine. Whatever you want to write, and hit confirm. And now you have it. And then when we go back to our profile at the bottom, and we scroll all the way to the bottom, section 1 is the name of it. Let's go to our section 1 list, and what we have, ice machines. But we could add many more sections in here if we want to. I'm going to delete this though, y'all, because I don't want anybody they don't need to look at it because there ain't nothing on here. So I'm going to just delete it. Move list and let's see, delete the list out here. Someone delete all that. And it's gone just like that. And you can see like I'm setting up close one sheen, and you could just get as creative as you want with this. Notifications at the bottom shows you who likes your page, if they shared your list, if they looked at your list, if they started following you. Invite shows who you invited. Your referral code is in there. The referral program ends in November, but you can make up to 30% for 3 months, depending on how many people you refer. So let people know this. Teach other people how to use this so they can make money, how they can make something out of nothing. Because I always see people, they're looking for ways. I need money right now. Well, this way you can make money right now using your phone. You don't have to buy anything. You just have to use your creativity. Use what's within. When you click on Discover, you see what's trending. And you also see all these different categories. You also can search for something too. Y'all go follow my girl Shannon. I just recently started following her. She just recently started following me. I really like her page. So y'all go check it out. But you can search for user. So it shows you that if you know who products you're looking for. And another thing, I suggest y'all look at people lists so it gives you ideas on what to do in your list, because that's why I got the idea from with sign up for Viator, getting a commission whenever people book excursions. Well, somebody else had that set up, and I was like, let me try that. You can put whatever you want in here. You can put your business links in here. If you have other side hustles, make lists about that, write blogs about that. You put blog post links in whatever you want. And when you make those blog posts, I should be having your affiliate links in them blog posts anyway. Okay. Maximize your money. So that's that. I will be hosting these virtual vision board parties for the next 5 weeks. They're going to be on Thursdays and Saturdays, and it's going to be a much better walkthrough. It's basically what we're going to be doing. We're going to actually be building lists inside of those sessions. So if you're interested, follow me, I would say on Facebook, Shonda Brum, and you'll be able to know more about that when it's starting. If you want to sign up for a session, sign up for as many as you want because they're going to be free. I just want people to understand this transfer of wealth that's going on. There was a time when we had to beg to model for companies, advertise for companies, and now these companies are practically begging regular consumers to promote their products for them for a small commission, but that's to bring them more business. So we are truly seeing a shift here. And if you want to learn more about that shift, follow me as well. But I'm also showing y'all here, go to the side hustle. Set yourself up. Get yourself together. There's a lot of things on here that you will be passive and that you can start for free. Get into it. And like I always say, get money.